Welcome to the new version of Smaply. In this short video, I'm going to show you the main features of our new editor. Think of the new version of Smaply as a whiteboard with the structure of a journey map. It gives you full flexibility to build the maps how you really need it. What you see here are different lane types. If you hover your mouse on a lane type, you can grab it and actually move it around. If you hover in between, you can add more lanes wherever you need to. So you can really give it the structure you need. You can choose between text lanes or stage lanes, image lanes. You can add charts to it, grid lanes, link maps into each other and so on. But I'll show you all that in a bit. Now, if we go into a journey, you see that you can add different cards. So if you hover below each of these cells, it gives you the option to either add the card representing the main card type based on the lane, or to choose any other card type that you like. I just pick one for now, and let me color it in so we can follow this red card now when I drag it around. Because you can really grab it and move it around. You can have multiple cards in one cell, and you can also move it into other lanes. You can place it basically wherever you like. Now, on the lower left, you also have a little panel where you have an undo, so you can correct changes that you've done. You have redo, of course. You have a hand tool. If you click that, you can basically move around in a view-only matter on the map. And there's also an option to zoom out, zoom in, or to go back to 100%. Now, if you look at the different card types, what you see are card types like text, very simple with a rich text editor. For any card types, you have the option to open a side panel where you get more options for a card. So a richer text editor, for example, you can link journeys into each other, nest journeys, build whole hierarchies of maps like you see here. You get meta information of a journey, if a journey is healthy, monitored, or if it needs attention. You can link to different data sources or manually upload data like a CSV file, or enter simple data and visualize it as a metric card like this, where you can also, if you open the side panel, choose between different kind of visualizations. Now, if we move ahead, you can go down, 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 down. This is a grid lane, for example. This is an icon lane with icon cards in it, a graph lane. Down here, you have customer pain points, you have opportunities, and so on. Let me open one of those. And what you see here is a pain point where basically you can change the taxonomy, change the naming. If you don't like pain point but unmet need, you can change it. You have different dimensions there as well. You can choose what is the impact on a single user, what is the reach, how many users are affected, what is the impact on your costs. Of course, you can also customize those dimensions. But what you see here as well is in which other maps the same pain point was used within your workspace. So if I choose to another example, you see that this pain point is used in two different maps. So it allows you to do prioritization not only based on different dimensions, but also in how many journeys you might affect with these. A few things I want to show you still is in the upper left corner you have filters. You can filter out certain lanes and show or hide certain lanes. And you can save these filters also as views. So you can directly jump into a specific view, maybe the one where you reduce information for this particular meeting and you show another visualization for another meeting. You can add metadata to a journey, choose who's the coordinator, tag journeys, filter journey through different tags. You can star a journey, you can download it as a PDF, and you can manage users, invite people to a journey on the workspace level or the account level. Now, of course, we can collaborate together on a journey with up to 100 people at the same time. The last thing I want to show you, and for that we jump into a sub-level journey of the airport, is you can also add personas to cards. Now, you see these little ribbons coming up, the blue and the yellow persona. You can also filter for personas. So I can filter out now any cards which only have Emma, for example. Like that, you can show only one journey, anything that relates to one particular persona, or compare the experience of different personas with each other. Have a look at it, play around with it. There's a free account. You can just sign up, try it out. Happy mapping.